When making a 90-degree turn using flexible metal conduit, it's very important to use an approved connector that is designed specifically for flexible metal conduit. Garvin Industries squeeze connector are one of the fastest and easiest ways to do this. As you can see from the inside, there's a small shoulder in there that allows you to install the flexible metal conduit quickly and easily, stopping it at the proper location. You then pull the conductors through the cable and where they're going to go into the box. To secure it, use the 2 set screws on the top, like so. As you can see, by tightening these screws, it squeezes and secures the cable in place and allows the conductors that have been stripped. You now have a quick and easy 90-degree turn on any electrical box, cover. Perfect secure 90-degree bend, wires in the box. These range in size from 3/8 inch all the way to 4 inch, and they come with or without an insulated throat to protect the insulation on the wiring. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.